Well, welcome back to the Timeline Ranch. So I've had a few people suggest I should put some swales on these hills that go down towards the valley where the building's at. But I've had to explain multiple times that you cannot dig through this. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So everything that's elevated here is solid rock. All the vegetation grows in the cracks of the rocks. That's where the soil deposits, the little bit of soil that's there from tens of thousands of years of everything breaking down along with the rock to make that more fertile soil. This is what's here. The only thing you could do would be something similar to what they did at the Al-Baida project, if you saw that in Saudi Arabia. It's just stack stones just to slow the water down a little bit on contour. But that's very labor intensive, and with the amount of time I have out here, I have to focus on the pond because that's the key, keystone for everything to work out here. But that's what's out here. This is all rock. And you see there's a little bit of sedimentary deposit here, and that's where the cactus are growing. Ocotillo. It's all rock. All that's the same way, just rock. It's a resurrection plant. Opened up pretty good. Must have had a deer urinate on it. Because it has not rained here. And it just keeps going and going. All that's rock as well. That little mountain up there. The only place you can dig around here is down in the valley. Everything else is rock. Now I have some ideas to build some terraces, on contour, and then make little pockets for water to pull on the upper side of it, and plant some different types of trees that can take, drought. But that's on my to-do list, just not real high on it. Looks like it's going to be a nice day. It's supposed to be a little windy later on. I was just noticed, looks like there's a little bitty cave right there. Maybe we'll go walk over there and see if there's anything in there. Texas rainbow cactus. Little cob cactus. You can see this Ocotillo is coming straight out of what looks like rock. Just a little crack there where it got a footing. A little bit of deer scat there. Could be Barbary sheep. This is the main creek that feeds the pond. It's all the same rock. Looks like a pack rat's living in there. There's a whole bunch of leaves and seeds from yucca in there. Yeah, it's definitely a pack rat living in there. Not much of a cave. Just a little place to stay out of the rain. You see these little scrub oaks are going dormant for the season. Well, I just thought I'd make a video to show you what I'm working with here. All the hills and mountains are solid rock that I cannot dig through, so swales on contour on there, at least digging them is out of the question. But there's other ways to, retain the water and slow it down coming down these hills, and I'll get to that later, but I've got some more important things I feel as far as water security to do before that. Well, I'll see you on the next one.